Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Nrutesh here, working on the project B15, and today's plan is to strip down the interior to get rid of this extra floor mats and the carpet. This is important because before jumping onto the performance mods, we want to make sure that there are no rust spots hidden inside the car. So enough talking, let's get to it. To remove the seats, there are two 12 bolts here, as you can see. And in the back there's two more bolts, but off camera I tried to remove it and I have actually snapped the bolts. I'll just show you. The bolt is still inside and it's all rusted, so I don't need to care about this bolts. First we'll remove the seat and then the carpet. This is the state of the car after removing the seats. You can see it's pretty dirty. I think the owner haven't cleaned this car in 5 years. Okay, the next step is to remove the rear seats. Okay, so this is how the car looks after removing all the seats, including the rear one. Now I think I will remove the center console first. The previous one I have installed the carpet using these screws, which screw directly into the body, which is a very bad way to install a carpet. Here you can see the water seeping through. This is the CNG tank which was installed by the previous owner, and the overall carpet, it's in pretty bad condition. Now let's go towards the center console. Now this is the car after the carpets are removed. You can see there are a couple of rust spots and there's water seeping through here. I don't know what it is. The seat belts are gone. The floor seems intact. There's water leaking through here. I'll have to look into that, and here too. The floor seems pretty sturdy. There's no spots of rust anywhere. But the car is leaking a lot. Actually, it's raining outside, as you can see. I'll remove this carpet when the rain is gone. And that winds up episode 2 of Project B15. We have taken off all the seats, the floor mats and the carpets, and I know it looks a bit rusted, but it's all surface rust which can be fixed later on, and we'll be making a separate video for this too. In the next video you will see me take out the dashboard and check what's wrong with the AC. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for being here.